everybody, this is Layy from Layy, and today I'll be bringing something totally new to you all. This is a full tutorial on how to get those bright color wigs with the pop of highlight color in the front. You know, that's become the newest trend. Everybody's doing the brighter colors or like the pastel colors in the front to follow up with the bright color for the rest of the wig. So today I used Adore Cajun Spice, which is a really fun orange color. It gives you that scissor look. Many people have been rocking it, but I haven't seen many people incorporate that highlighter look with it. So I decided to use Adore's Ginger, which is more of like a yellowish orange tone to just give it a pop of fun color. Okay, so right now I'm sectioning off the highlighted pieces. The reason why I have 3 different areas is just because that gives you the freedom to be able to have the highlighted colors be everywhere that you want to be able to part the hair. So I have one in the middle for when you have the middle part, one on the left, and one on the right for both side parts, so that when you part them, you'll have that highlighted color flowing to both sides of your part, and it's going to be super, super cute. So all I'm doing is just parting them and plaiting them down so that they don't get in the way while I'm applying the rest of the hair color, the Cajun Spice. So for this look, I used about 4 containers of Cajun Spice by Adore. And I just pour them all in the bowl together. I did 2 at a time, mix it up, just to make sure the color is distributing evenly. When you are working with hair dye of any kind, it's extremely important to wear gloves. Nobody wants to walk around looking like you just broke into like the Cheeto factory or something like that, and your hands are like stained orange, because this is not fun to try to get off, okay? So definitely always wear your gloves. This type of dye won't burn your hands or anything, but you just don't want to be walking around with your hands stained for days, and your nails especially when you spend like $50 on that manicure, girl. You do not want to mess it up. So do yourself a favor and get you some gloves. I use non-latex gloves. These are the Nitrile. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, but those are the type of gloves that I use, and I love them. My mom is actually allergic to latex gloves, and that's one of the other reasons why I can't have them around. So if you have a latex allergy, these are a great alternative to them. And you can actually find them in your doctor's office as well. You know, when the doctor leaves out, I kind of help myself to a few pair every time. They won't miss it. So what I did to make everything easier, I sectioned the hair off into 4 different sections, and then I started working small section by small section just to ensure that there are no blotches, no patches missed, no blonde showing through, anything like that. I started with the color at the roots, and I kind of used my hands to just also being very generous with the hair, get it all over the hair, and that helped. Make sure that you buy enough dye so that you don't run out at all, because that's the main thing you don't want to do when coloring blonde hair, is to run out of color, because of course that's when you come in and have all the patches, and you just spent so much time coloring your hair. You just want to make sure that it comes out perfectly the first time.
Say baby I love you. Say baby I love you. Say my name.
DJ Merx.
Hey baby I love you. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say baby I love you. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. All of a sudden change. Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I. Say my name, say baby I love you. Say baby I love you. Say my name. love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, okay. How would you like it if I do the things you do? What? Put you on, do not disturb and entertain it, dude. What? How would you like it if I do the things you do? What? Put you on, do not disturb and
hey girl, bring it back, 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 back,
how would you like it?
back,
How would you like it? How would you like it?
hey girl, bring it back,
How
back,
would
back,
you
back,
like it?
back,
Would you like it? Would you like it? Would you like it? Would you like it? Would you like it?
back, girl, bring it back,
Because I know what I gotta do, what I gotta do, what I gotta do, what
hey girl, bring it back,
because I know what I gotta do, what give you a taste of your own medicine.
Whenever I'm working with more than one hair color, I like to keep a paper towel around just to be able to keep my hands clean, the gloves clean from any excess color I might have on, especially when transitioning into the new color that you're going to be using. And because this color is lighter, I don't want any chances of anything transferring. A great option to be also just put on a new pair of gloves, but I did not feel like doing all of that, and the gloves, the paper towel works just fine. So all I did was take the sections out of their braids, and now I'm actually using a smaller brush to apply this new color, just so that everything applies perfectly. There's no chance of me mixing up any of the colors at all.
And I'ma leave you crying. Don't get it twisted, I can play this game too. How would you like it if I did the same to you, yeah?
Empire, 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 empire.
We are sip the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we'll stay, baby. Oops, I don't love for your way, baby. I know, girl, but in the mouth for the first time I'm seeing love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I'm before for you, you got to know that everyone loves. Oops, I don't love so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, baby. Falling, baby.
Put your leg up.
We are sip the Henny for the day, baby. I'm falling. We are sip the Henny for the day, baby. I'm falling.
Put your leg.
Okay, now that I'm done, I am just going to clip all three of the lighter pieces together to keep everything out of the way. Now that I'm done applying the highlight color, I will go back and just check through my work, check through the wig, make sure that there are no spots that I didn't miss, and just make sure that the color is distributed correctly, and basically just perfect the wig now. So after you've done this part, this is where you let the hair color sit on the hair and penetrate for at least 30 minutes. The longer you let it sit, the more the color really sits into the hair. If you have like a hooded dryer, that would be great for this as well, but I just let mine process regularly sit in
Go up on the wall. Hey girl, let's go. Hey girl, go up on the let's go. Hey girl, let's go. Hey girl, let's go.
So this is what it looks like when you're done coloring. I let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I rinsed it out with cold water until the water ran clear. So you guys, look at this color. It is so bright, so pretty, so popping. Perfect for the summertime and perfect for those girls looking to stand out from the rest of the crowd. This unit can actually be purchased on our website, www.laceballet.co. If you like what you saw in this video, go ahead and press that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any future video suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We want to see what you guys want to see.
Tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone?